And
Good morning, students. Good morning, all of you. Today we will start the second chapter. Second chapter of SST. How I care my surrounding. How I care my surrounding. Open your page. All of you open your page 13 to 15. Page 13. Okay. First of all, we should know that what is surrounding. What is surrounding? What is surrounding? Things and places around us. Surrounding means things and places around us. Write down things and places. Things or places around us. Okay. Things or places around us. That is called surrounding. Then come to the importance. Importance of surrounding. What are the importance of surrounding? The importance of surrounding consists of 10 points. 10 points. First, A. Write down A. Speak and span surrounding provides us good health. Speak and span surrounding provides us good health. Speak and span means neat and clean. Write down the speak and span surrounding means neat and clean. Okay? Clear? All of you clear? First point, speak and span surrounding provides us good health. Then second point, keeping household things in proper places. Keeping household things in proper places. That is the second point. Keeping the household things in proper places. Then third point, keeping your bags, dress, school bag in proper places. Firstly, household things, then come to the your things. Your things means your material, books, dress, school bag in proper places. So 3 points has gone. Then 4 points. Throwing the garbage in a covered dustbin. Okay, throwing the garbage in a covered dustbin. Dustbin should be covered. Then 5th point, do not spit on the floor. Do not spit on the floor. Then do not write on the wall, the school wall, your house wall. Do not write on the wall. And then 7th point is, do not leave the water tap running. Okay, do not leave the water tap running. Water is going on, it is wastage. So do not leave the water tap running. It harms your surrounding. Switch off the light and fan while leaving the room. Switch off the light and fan while leaving the room. Then do not pluck the flowers. Do not pluck the flowers from the school garden. It is the 9th point. Then 10th point is keeping your whiteboard. Keeping your whiteboard neat and clean in your class. Okay? Then 10 points. In this way, we keep our surrounding clean and stay healthy. These are the 10 points. These are the important 10 points of surrounding. So that your things and places around us should be clean and we should stay healthy. Okay? These are all 10 points. You should remember these and write down what are the importance of surrounding in your page, in your classwork page. You write down what are the importance of surrounding. These 10 points you write down. Okay? 10 points, speak and spin, household things, proper places, keep the books and dress in a proper places, throwing the garbage in a covered dustbin, do not spit, do not write on the wall, do not leave the water tap running. Okay? Then switch off the light and fan while leaving the room, do not pluck the flowers in your school garden. Then keeping your whiteboard clean. in your class. Okay, these are the 10 points. We should remain healthy. Goodbye. And these 10 points you should remember. Thank you all of you. Remember this for the next class. We will revise it. Okay, thank you. Very good.